In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Google Ads headlines that convert. We'll walk through exactly where to create your headline inside Google Ads, and I'll share practical tips so the headline you write is clear, compelling, and built to drive clicks. First, go to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to Campaigns. This is where you'll manage the parts of your account that control budgets, targeting, and, importantly for today, your creative. Next, click Assets. Assets are the building blocks your ads use, and editing them here keeps everything consistent and easy to manage. Now click the plus icon. From the options that appear, select Headline. Then select the campaign you want this headline to apply to. This keeps your message aligned with the audience and goals of that specific campaign. Click Done to confirm your selection and open the editor for your headline. Before you type, know what makes a headline convert. Clarity beats cleverness. Use plain language that matches what your audience is searching for and reflect your primary value in as few words as possible. If you can, echo a core keyword naturally. This helps relevance without sounding forced. Focus on a single promise or benefit, like fast shipping, a strong price point, or a unique feature. If numbers help your case, percent discounts, prices, or time savings, they can quickly anchor value. Keep in mind that Google Ads headlines have tight character limits, so shorter, sharper lines usually perform better. Avoid vague claims, be specific and believable. Strong verbs and a gentle call to action, like shop now or get a free quote, can guide intent without sounding pushy. Make sure the headline stands on its own, because users often scan quickly and decide in seconds. Go ahead and write your headline. Read it out loud once to catch any awkward phrasing and confirm it's easy to understand. If it feels crowded, trim extra words and keep the message front-loaded. When you're happy with it, click Save. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened Campaigns, clicked Assets, hit the plus icon, selected Headline, chose your campaign, clicked Done, crafted a clear headline, and saved it. As a final tip, revisit your campaign later to see how this headline performs, and use what you learn to refine future headlines. With a consistent process and a focus on clarity, you'll build ads that attract the right clicks and convert more effectively.